Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing the Facebook Marketplace Christmas Selling Challenge. Alright, so before I dive into that, I just wanted to share a Facebook group community that we are going to be building up. So the Facebook group is called Creative Business Success, and we're going to be providing you guys lots of values, answering your questions. There's going to be some games, contests. We want to build a community where we can all help each other. So if you guys want to check that out, check the link down below. Alright, so the Facebook Christmas Market Challenge. So it's getting closer and closer to Christmas. As I'm filming this, it is December 22nd, 2019. And if you've been following my updates every Monday, I've been doing updates from the very beginning of starting zero to where I am now. So this past week, I did 10 sales. So that's the highest so far. Mainly I was averaging between about 5 to 7 each week. And again, I do these part-time. So because this is kind of the last week heading into Christmas, people were just messaging like crazy and I was able to do 10 sales. I've got one so far scheduled for tomorrow, which is the 23rd, which is getting close to Christmas. And so far, I'm now at $905 profit. From the beginning, I said that I wanted to get at least $1,000 profit for this Facebook Christmas Market Challenge. Basically, I was doing like a 1-month challenge, and I wanted to see if I can get at least $1,000 profit. So I'm at 905 so far. Got one scheduled for tomorrow, and I'm so close. Let's see what the final numbers are in the next week's episode. So one of the big ticket items that I sold this past week was the Frozen gift set. If you saw a couple episodes back, I said I was listing it, and then before that, I said that I had gotten a bunch of Frozen items, and it was actually my business partner Urit's suggestion to do this Frozen gift set. It was to take a bunch of Frozen items from different places, put them together, and then call it a Frozen gift set. She had recommended this because the Frozen 2 movie had just come out, and so that was definitely going to be a hot commodity toy item this season. So this was it right here, and this was all the items. Now, let me just explain a bunch of the items. So I sold this whole set for $145, and pretty much all that was all profit because for the majority of the 3 items there at the top, I used my PC Optimum points, which I had stated in the very first episode that I save my PC Optimum points and then I use them to go and buy products to resell. Because with PC Optimum points, usually people get like groceries with their points, and I didn't want to get groceries because if I buy groceries, it's not going to make me more income, and you can't use the PC Optimum points to buy gift cards. I already checked. It's in the rules and regulations. So in order to convert those points into cash, I buy products and then try and sell it for obviously above the price that I paid in Optimum points. But if I can't, I just want to break even. But in any case, whatever you sell it at is going to be all profit because there were points anyways. So these 3 items that you see here at the top, this was the big main item, right? It's like the Frozen foldable castle thing. And then the 2 dolls, and we decided to get the doll with Anna with Olaf. So it's kind of like there were 3 dolls because they did have another one with Anna without Olaf for the same price. But then we said, you know what, let's get Olaf in there as well so that it'll be 3 characters instead of 2. And I used my points, and the way that PC Optimum points works is for every 10,000 points, it's $10. In actual value, these 3 items was $100 exactly. And we went on a day to Superstore where they were having no tax. So it was pretty much just $100, which was 100,000 points. And I had over 200,000 points at the time. And to be honest, it's not very hard to rack up those points. They're always having days where, you know, you spend a certain amount of money, you get points, and if you buy eggs, you get this many points, and if you buy stuff that you already buy and then you just rack up the points. And the other items down here below, the backpack and the frozen little paper placemats, that was free from Arit's mom. She had bought those items that she didn't want to use anymore, so she just gave them to me. And then this frozen hair product stuff, like it's like scrunchies and elastics and bows for the hair. That stuff was at dollar store and I got that for $2 a piece. So pretty much on this whole thing, I spent like of my own money, like $4, and then the rest was points, and then these two items were free. So I sold it for $145, and that was pretty much all profit, so it was about $140 profit. And if you remember, I chose to list it a little bit later, closer around the 15 to 20 mark of December. That's when it started to go out. And I did get a bunch of inquiries, and then finally this lady was like, yeah, I'll buy it. And then we met up with her, and when I gave it to her, the bag of all the stuff, she's like, oh, you just saved me some Christmas shopping. And that was the whole point, was to get all these items that normally aren't placed together, like these are from different stores, and then put them together as a gift set. And someone who doesn't have the time, who's busy, is going to purchase it. And that's exactly what happened. So shout out to my business partner, Arit, for giving that as an idea. All right, so like I said, as I'm filming this, it is December 22nd. It's literally like 3 days before Christmas. So what I'm going to do today and tomorrow is I'm going to delete a bunch of my listings of stuff that I currently still have, and then I'm going to relist them for a slightly cheaper price, obviously still with profit, in hopes of getting some last minute sales. So let's see how it goes. I'm at 905 right now. My goal was to get 1,000. So stay tuned for next week when I do the full recap of everything. How's it going for you guys? How is the Facebook Christmas Market Selling Challenge? How are you guys doing? Let me know in the comment section down below. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.